Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and of course we are gonna go to the ring again. I just checked the oil just to be sure, and you can see here the KWs are installed, so this is the first time that I'm actually gonna test how they perform on the track, so I'm pretty excited. Also, this is the first time on track since I put the short ratio small case diff back again, so it's gonna be an exciting day. The car should be pretty sick compared to what it was before. Of course, the small diff, I already know how it feels, and yeah, I just can't wait to test it out again. It's gonna be a weekday TF, so only 2 hours of time, but it's gonna be a lot quieter than usual on the weekends. And yeah, the season is coming to an end, so a lot of Saturdays are races, and the track isn't open for public. So yeah, we're gonna go on a Monday for a change, and yeah, we're just gonna go to Germany, hang around there a little bit, maybe walk in the forest just for fun, watch what's going on the track, and then we can do some driving in the evening. So I can't wait to drive this thing with the KWs and the short diff. It's gonna be loads of fun. So I'll see you guys on the road. So we just arrived at the ring. We just had some lunch. So we're almost at the trackside now. There's a track day going on, so I'm gonna show you some of the track day. So right now we just watched at Brightside, and now we are walking towards Hatzenbach. So a pretty fun track day going on, a lot of nice cars, so I'm gonna show you more of what's coming by. You probably hear it in the background already, that something is coming. So yeah, let me take you towards a hole in the fence so I can show you some better footage. So TF is about to start. It's almost 5, so we're warming up the car. I'm preparing the GoPro and stuff to put on the helmet, and then we can drive. It looks like it's very quiet today. I haven't seen many people yet, and all the parking lots are pretty empty, so a good day for driving. I'm gonna prepare all the camera stuff, and then you're gonna see me on track. So I'm filming this from my phone real quick. As you can see, this is not where we should be, but it looks like we had a drive shaft of axle failure. So yeah, it wasn't smart to keep on driving. So we're waiting now to get picked up and take the car away and see how we can fix it and get home. But yeah, sometimes these things happen. So we are on our way back now. As you can see, as you saw, the car got weggelanced, so we had a technical defect, which apparently was the nut of the axle that came off, just entirely came off, so that was missing. So we delivered the car at Nurburgring, and they had a nut and they put it on. So massive thank you to Nurburgring for helping get the car driving again. It was literally a 10-minute fix, and the car is back on the road. Unique experience. Of course, when you drive your car on the ring, you know it's gonna happen one day that you need to get out of the track, and that's fine. So yeah, just a half a lap we did today. After that, the track closed and hasn't reopened again. So better luck next time. I think next time is going to be in a weekend, so we have a little bit more time. Overall, I think the diff, except the axle then, is fine. So next time we'll be back with the small diff. And of course the KWs for the first half of the lap felt amazing, like nothing I've experienced before. And I wasn't even pushing, I was just warming up the car, warming up the tires. So yeah, amazing. So we are going to go back now. Thank you guys for watching the video. There's not a lot going on in this video, but also a lot because of the tow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.